Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm not gonna lie, I've been sick for the last couple days. Today is the first day that I am back to feeling myself, and a couple days ago, I think maybe Monday morning, I woke up with a scratch on my face. I sleep pretty rough. I have been told one of my best friends says that I literally like fight in my sleep. So, and my nose lately, my nose like on this side and this side has been pretty dry. It's been tough. So it's the season I hate the most, where my face is so dry because I have dry skin. So today Bruno is getting professionally washed, trimmed, all that today at 10:30, so I'm very excited for that. Also, yes, I moved the tall boy that was here over there, and I moved my cushion thing over here. Just, I don't know, I thought it looked nicer. Sometimes I feel like my vlogs are boring because it's the same thing over and over again, and I'm in the same spot over and over again, and nothing ever changes. There we go. I'm ready for today. I have like an hour till the lady comes to wash Bruno. I don't know what I'm gonna do till then. Hey guys, so today I'm going out, so I thought like why not bring you along the process of me doing like a get ready with me. I haven't done a get ready with me in like, I don't even know, like probably like 2 months or so. If you haven't watched that video already, click on the link or the card above here to watch it. My hair is getting pretty old, but don't worry, it's gonna be refreshed. But even though it is like almost due time for me to take it off, I'm gonna try and figure out what to do with this hair. I'm not gonna lie, I'm watching Love Island at the moment, so we are going to continue watching Love Island as I am doing this, and then once I finish the episode, then I can like talk to you guys and I can tell you how I feel. Right now I'm watching Love Island episode 25, I'm sure. It's the episode before Casamore, so that's the episode I'm talking about right now. I'm gonna start getting ready.
amor is coming.
Danica is gonna go home. Here's my predictions anyway. Danica is gonna go home. At first I didn't like her, but after the way Paige and the girls treated her yesterday, now I'm all for her. I used to like Paige as well. I don't know, after yesterday, Paige, Antigone, Tasha, they're just in my bad books. And for the boys, Jack, what do we call him? Red flags. I freaking don't like him either. He's just I can't even give you what he is. Oh, like if someone spoke to me the way he speaks to what's her name, Paige, and I stay, please slap me in the head. Because how can he be saying all those rude things to you and you're still on his lap, but then when the girls are coming you have the mouth? No, like she had the mouth to be like, oh sorry girls, can we just have a little chat? It's not like that, it's not like that. She irritated me, man. Obviously she can redeem herself, like I'm a forgiving person, but at the same time those three girls, they're giving me not even high school, primary school private talk vibes. Because who has time for that? Freaking rude people. Like I don't like people who are rude or mean for no reason. Like if you have a reason to be mean, sure, be mean. But if you do not have a reason to be, then why are you mean? Okay, doesn't make sense to me. If you have no reason, then why are you mean? I don't know, I'm not really loving my makeup today. I'm really not loving it. Don't know why. It's also raining today, guys, and I also have to buy petroleum because my dumbass remembered that I needed to get petrol when I got home from work. And literally my dumbass, my stupid ass. I just decided to put it in it. Let me just pause that. I'm watching him ping up with the Kardashians now. But I decided to just do that. I wiped up the powder that was in my face. I'm gonna replace my stud with this other hoop, and then I'm gonna try and pick an outfit, and then I'll be back with you guys. Okay? So it's the next day. I didn't film yesterday because I was running late. I was very late, and it's a bougie restaurant. Like, tell me why I was late. It's because I'm wretched. I only go to restaurants that don't really care if you're late or not. But I did like film a little clip of what I wore because of course I cannot disappoint you guys. So I just wore like a blue corset with blue jeans that I got from Shein, with a blazer that I got from Pillow Thing, and heels that I got from Zara. Pretty much that was it. The view was really nice. It was like a view of the city. The restaurants literally like was slowly going round and round in a circle. It was pretty cool. It's probably the bougiest restaurant I've been to, but the food was really nice. It was an all you can eat, so you know we love that. Yeah, that's basically it. But I just wanted to close off this video and thank you guys for so much love for my last video. I really appreciate all the views, all the likes. I'm so thankful for everyone that subscribed as well. Thank you so much for subscribing. To you guys it might be like, okay, I'm okay, relax, it wasn't that much subscribers, but to me it was a lot. Like in the span of a week I've never had that much growth, and I'm super thankful for each and every one of you that has subscribed. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. It really will help me get my YouTube videos out there and help YouTube push my videos more. That's just how YouTube works. If you subscribe and you like, and the more engagement that I get, and the more YouTube will recommend my videos out there. So please like this video, subscribe if you haven't already. So thank you guys for watching today's vlog. I really appreciate each and every one of you for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing, and I will see you guys in my next vlog or a video next week. Bye you guys.